Hello, and welcome to the SigenMicro Inverter Installation Guide video. This series will demonstrate how to mount wire and commission the product. Prepare the following installation tools before installation. Open the package and take out the SigenMicro. Check the items. In the package are complete. The terminals of SigenMicro are shown as follows. We have simplified the accessory combinations and launched 4 AC cable kits for different installation scenarios. Please select the appropriate AC cable according to your actual installation requirements. To address the issue of insufficient length of PV panel DC cables, please use the SigenMicro DC cable for extension. It is available in 2 sizes, 1 meter and 2 meters. To extend the SigenMicro AC trunk cable or connect it to the distribution board, we need to use the SigenMicro AC trunk coupler. Next, install the SigenMicro AC trunk coupler. The stripping length is printed on the surface. Please refer to it when stripping the AC cable. Strip the cable using a wire stripper. The stripping length for the inner core of the AC cable should also follow the printed instructions on the SigenMicro AC trunk coupler. Strip the cable using a wire stripper. Install the ferrules. Crimp the terminals using a crimping tool. Prepare the other cable in the same way. Use the SigenMicro AC trunk unlock tool to open the Sigen AC trunk coupler. Insert it at the bottom and press firmly with even force. Open the SigenMicro AC trunk coupler. Unscrew the plugs on both the left and right sides. Thread the plugs through the AC cables. Do the same for the other side. Loosen all the screws inside using a screwdriver. Insert the prepared AC cables. After inserting firmly, tighten each screw with a screwdriver. Finally, close the cover. Please ensure it is completely sealed. Install the SigenMicro AC trunk terminator at the end of the AC trunk cable to ensure waterproofing. The stripping length of the AC trunk cable is determined by the end of the terminator. Strip the cable using a wire stripper. Unscrew the terminator. Thread it through the AC trunk cable. Insert the 3 inner cores into the 3 holes in the terminator. Finally, tighten the terminator. Then lay out the cable on the rail. Place the connector next to the planned installation location of the microinverter, and then fix the cable with tie wraps. Route a continuous grounding cable through grounding brackets of each microinverter to the AC grounding electrode that conforms with local regulations. Note, torque each grounding cleat screw to 2.5 Newton meters. Next, plug the SigenMicro into the AC trunk cable. Simply plug the SigenMicro AC connector directly in. If you need to detach the SigenMicro, use the SigenMicro AC branch unlock tool. To ensure waterproofing, install the SigenMicro AC trunk port cap on any unused sections of the AC trunk cable not connected to SigenMicro. The SigenMicro PV works between 20 volts and 60 volts. Any voltage higher than that will damage the unit. Before connecting the DC side, please peel off the QR code sticker from the SigenMicro. Each QR code represents a solar panel connected to the DC port of the microinverter. SiGenergy provides 2 types of installation maps, Type A and Type B. Please select the appropriate one according to the actual layout. For the Type A installation map, please use QR codes to indicate the relative positions of the solar panels on the map according to their actual placement, horizontal or vertical. For the Type B installation map, it is a translucent paper. Place it on the roof aerial photo or CAD drawing, and then use QR code stickers to represent the relative positions of the solar panels. Let's take Type B as an example. Place the CAD drawings containing roof photovoltaic layouts or roof aerial photos under Type B paper. Peel off the QR code sticker from the SigenMicro and attach it to the Type B installation map. Paste the QR code on the microinverter to the corresponding position of the PV panel on the map. Please ensure that the QR code does not exceed the boundary of the map. Then connect the DC connector of SigenMicro to the solar panels. For the 2-in-1 microinverter, we have installed a pair of MC4 connector caps. Please remove them when needed. For any DC connectors on SigenMicro that are not connected to PV panels, please install MC4 connector caps to ensure waterproofing. For PV panels far away from the SigenMicro, you can purchase a SigenMicro DC cable to extend the DC side connection. Next, connect the other end of the AC bus cable into the junction box. Finally, connect the AC cable to the Energy Gateway or Sigen Store. Form the SiGenergy home ecosystem, or directly integrate it into distribution panel. Please turn on the AC side switch of the distribution panel or SiGenergy Gateway to power on the SigenMicro. Observe the indicator light at the bottom of the SigenMicro. It should be in a steady green state. At this point, SigenMicro offers two distinct commissioning methods to cater to different application scenarios. The first is take layout photo commissioning, which is specifically designed for traditional rooftop PV systems. The second is scan nearby SigenMicro commissioning, an ideal choice for small-scale rooftop PV systems or balcony PV systems. Please select the appropriate commissioning method based on your actual installation scenario. Upload pictures. Please hold your phone horizontally for photographing. Please ensure that all 4 positioning points are within the camera's field of view. And please ensure that each QR code is clear, unobstructed, and free from reflection. Click Next. The AI will automatically recognize the image. You can zoom in on the layout and adjust it individually. Click Next. Make sure all microinverters have been added and the layout has been properly arranged. The system will automatically search for nearby SigenMicro and connect to them. Connect the SigenMicro to your home Wi-Fi. Enter the password of your home Wi-Fi and connect. Wait for the system to process and complete the network configuration. The system will perform a network check on all microinverters. Just click Start Diagnosis to begin. Network check completed and the connection quality is good. Enter basic information. Please confirm that all SigenMicro devices have been added to the system. Confirm the power grid information. The system will perform self-diagnosis. Please wait a moment. And confirm all configurations. Click the icon in the upper right corner to start commissioning. Click the Add SigenMicro. Scan nearby SigenMicro. The system will automatically check the surrounding SigenMicro. Agree to join SigenMicro WLAN network. Wait a minute, the system is connecting all SigenMicro. All SigenMicro devices have been successfully identified at once. Please click Next. The remaining steps are the same as those for QR commissioning. Congratulations, you've completed the installation of SigenMicro. Enjoy your green energy.